So in this video we'll be looking at HTML images. Now whenever you visit any website you will definitely find images in it. Without images a website is almost nothing, right? So let us see how to add images into your HTML page, into your web page. So for images the tag is img, image tag. This does not have a closing tag. Okay, now how to add an image. So my HTML page is images.html, and in the same folder I've added one sample image. Okay, so now here in image tag I will add src attribute, and in src I will enter the image, which is sample image.jpg, and here we have the image. Okay, so make sure that the image that you're adding is in the same folder as your HTML file. Okay, if it is not in the same folder, then what you have to do is, suppose I am creating a new folder. Say images, and I am creating a copy of this. Okay, let me move it to the images folder. Okay, now when I refresh this, you will not see the image. The image will go away. Okay, because it is not in the same folder. Now if they are in different folder, then what to do? Okay, go to the folder, go to the image, open properties, and copy the path, copy this location. Okay, now let us go to the HTML. In the source, add that. In front of the file name, and refresh, and we have the image. So if it is in the same folder only, then you can directly use the image name, else you should enter the full location, and the location you can get by visiting properties by right clicking on the image. There's one more thing you can do. You can also copy images from the website, from the internet. I will show you an example. Suppose this is this one website we have which has some stock photos. Let us right click on this, copy image address, and paste it in src. So that image will now load from the internet into your HTML, and here it is. So this is the concept of HTML images. With the img tag you can embed images into your web page.